Most of the time, the inline orientation of the handle and spindle of your clamp is sufficient. But other jobs are just going to require more clamping force. And Bessey's pivot handle clamps allow you to apply that extra force, especially in tight spaces. Like a traditional Tommy bar, the pivot handle on this clamp allows for applying significant force even in tight spaces. But this handle features a positive stop, allowing it to be used like a standard clamp. This heavy-duty clamp comes with a two-part molded handle, providing the same extra comfort and grip as our 2K handle. However, the extra leverage of the pivoting handle allows this clamp to apply up to 1,100 pounds of force even in the tightest spaces. The 1,100-pound capacity of this clamp series is possible not only due to the pivoting handle, but also because the head and the moving arm are made of tempered steel. This GZ series of pivot handle clamps have a throat depth of 4 3/4 inches and maximum clamping capacities from 10 to 24 inches. When you need that extra clamping force, or you're working in a tight space, or you need the extra clamping force in a tight space, the GZ series of pivot handle clamps from Bessey will answer the call.